What's up, cool cats and kittens? It's Uncle Matt here. We're in the kitchen. We're gonna cook some food. I'm excited because the wonderful, charming, beautiful Aunt Jesta purchased us a big box of goodies from Omaha Steaks. So we're gonna open that up, see what all we got, and then we're gonna cook something out of that package tonight. I'm guessing the steaks, because I mean, if you're getting Omaha Steaks, start with the steaks, right? That makes sense, right? Oli, right? Yeah, Oli says yes, that's what we're gonna do. So, coming right up. What we got. All right, so we got a little promo, some of the other offerings they had if we wanna place another order. We got here a guide to Omaha Steaks. So it just kind of breaks down what the different types of steaks and stuff are. I'll give that a peruse a little bit later. And we've got all of our foods. We've got, what is this? Caramel apple tartlets, pork loin chops, boneless, beef tenderloin steaks, naturally, I can't read it apparently. Natural casing kielbasa, fully cooked already. That's interesting. We've got individual New York cheesecakes. As an honorary New Yorker, I will judge the quality of these and if they are true to New York standards of cheesecake. Individual scalloped potatoes. Nice little side dish to go with at least one of these meals at some point in time. And we've got ground beef burgers, aka Omaha steak burgers. Really looking forward to seeing how all these turn out as we cook them. All right, here is what we're gonna start off with tonight. We've got the beef tenderloin steaks. Thawed these out already, so now we're just gonna have to get them prepped up to ready to go on the grill. I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but what I do with steaks is I put a little mayo on there instead of oil, and then just a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning. Pretty simple. What?
Didn't it come with special seasoning for the steaks? It should have.
Alright, so we've got the steaks all coated and seasoned. We'll be throwing those on in a little bit. But first, we also, in this package that we got from Omaha Steaks, included some side dishes and dessert type things. Tonight we're going to be also cooking up these scalloped potatoes as one of our sides. Back there, what I'm really looking forward to, as I mentioned earlier, New York cheesecake thawing out, getting ready to be devoured. But we're going to throw these in the oven first. Jess is also going to whip up some Brussels sprouts so that we'll be healthy and lose weight, because that's how it works, is my understanding. I'll probably peek over her shoulder, see what she's doing, get a little footage of that too. She won't even notice we're there. But we're going to throw these in the oven, let them get started. Then shortly after, we'll throw the steaks on. These steaks are 5 ounces, kind of small, so I don't think they're going to need much time because, you know, I like my steak bleeding and, you know, ahi style steak basically is what I'm going for. So just psh, psh, done. Let's get to cooking. So I'm also whipping up a little bit of béarnaise sauce, as we say in Italia.
Béarnaise is French.
In Napoli. Getting this working. But we got some Brussels sprouts working. Jess, what are you doing with the sprouts over here?
Throwing some random stuff in it. Garlic salt, some crappy Parmesan cheese, pepper, oil, paprika.
Nice. Alright, I'm gonna throw these on. Like I said, I'm not gonna cook them too long. 3-4 minutes tops on the first side. Just let the Montreal form a little bit of a crust. Flip it. Maybe only 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. We'll see how it goes. These are not going to need long at all. Put a little salt and pepper on the back end. Hey, and I actually got the grill turned on without any propane issues so far. Even just 3 minutes, got a little more singe than I would have liked on that side. Alright, these steaks, they're gonna rest about 5 minutes. About the time they're done resting, all those juices have soaked back in, the other stuff should be just about ready, and we can eat dinner. Thanks, Omaha Steaks. Alright, so here is the finished product. Spoiler alert, I already ate one of the Brussels and it was delicious. Good job, Jesta. Alright, let's get in here.
Too many different words coming at it from too many different sentences.
Steak looks like I cooked it pretty good.
Steaks are really good.
Jess just said the steaks are really good, so.
It's Oscar. I'm so sorry to be
Like the quality of the steak is really good. The cook could have been better.
It's Michael. He's being shaken down.
Well, they got a little singed
No, I was
on the
just
first side
messing
because they
with
cooked a lot faster than I thought they would on that side, so.
you. Yeah, they're really good. The quality of steak and the cook is
I'm
good.
sorry.
Yeah, that is really good.
You're right. Oh, okay, Mike.
So far, they're worth the money.
I would definitely say that, you know, because this is probably a similar
Already.
cut style of meat to what we would get with
Feel.
Blue Apron when we were doing that. And I feel like this is definitely better than the Blue Apron steaks we used to get, so definitely win on that. Wish we had the seasoning. I would have liked to have seen how that did the steaks, but so far so good on the steak. Let's try the scalloped potato. Have you tried that yet?
The stupidest thing you could do
I put béarnaise on it.
Maybe I'll take a little béarnaise on my potato too then.
Not only that, but if they find out you snitched, you get a dead horse's chopped off head in your bed.
You know what? It's not gonna happen. That's an example. All right, sure. What am I supposed to do here?
It's good. It was easy to cook. It was good.
Give in right away.
You guys haven't seen me eat a Brussels yet since I ate it off camera, so I'll eat one for you here.
No. Criminals are like raccoons. Okay, you give them a taste of cat food, pretty soon they'll be back to the The only way to defeat a bully is to stand up to him.
Brussels are good.
You have bullied a lot of people.
I don't know about it.
Wait, let's hear him out. This is interesting.
Very happy with this meal so far.
We meet him in a public place.
I'm not gonna make you watch me eat the whole thing though, so.
That's where he can't be openly violent. Let him know that you are not.
Unless you want to. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you want to just watch me eat entire meals? I don't know. Let me know. I'm willing to do anything.
Like to officially withdraw my.
Some stuff I'll do on my OnlyFans account, but not here, so.
You do it the hard way.
All right. I will meet with him, but I'm
Just
not going.
eating food here, but
No, you're gonna have
onlyfans.com/Joe Mad Country Boy. That's where the real stuff goes down. Uh-oh. Oh, lost my knife. 5-second rule.
Doesn't really work if it gets covered in cat hair.
Up. I need a weapon without drawing suspicion, and I have to justify it.
All right, so the final piece of our dinner adventure is this New York cheesecake. Now, as I mentioned in the unboxing, as a honorary New Yorker, I will have the... Please don't interrupt the video. As an honorary New Yorker, I will have full authority to declare if this cheesecake meets the high standards us New Yorkers hold for our cheesecake. So, gonna dig in, take a bite, and we'll let you know if it's up to our standards on the Long Island, as we call it. All right, to all my New Yorkers out there.
Stop it right now. I will not. I will not. It's bad enough that you're saying that you are a real New Yorker. You're not going to use a Boston accent. Like, not, no.
I have to cut that whole part out. I'm gonna park myself right here.
Stop.
I'm a New Yorker,
No,
about to eat
you're
my New
not.
York cheesecake.
No, you're not.
Oh, I may have to break it tonight.
Okay.
You have never lived outside of Tennessee.
Not now, Toby, my God.
As we say in New York,
Stop it.
gabagool.
As far as dinner time,
cancel that and please
Forget about it.
Omaha Steaks never, ever, ever see her again. I think you're underestimating me.
It's pretty good.
More than anything, she
There was no prep involved. It just came in this cup and you just had to let it thaw out. That's one thing that was really impressive about all this was everything was frozen. Usually, you know, frozen stuff, you know, you got a little bit of an issue when you cook it and doesn't quite have the quality of fresh stuff, but everything's been good. This gets the New York seal of approval. It's no chowder though.
Stop it.
It's okay if I put up some candy that Pam brought back from Puerto Rico.
What does it matter with you?
Pam, we're all set.
It's good. Start spreading the news. I'm from New York. I'm eating our favorite cheesecake. Matt's from New York.
Bottle limited.
No, you're not.
Shall we?
You're right. I'm only an honorary New Yorker.
No, you're not.
I'm a New Yorker by marriage.
That's not a thing.
It is.
Come on, it'll take 2 seconds.
No,
What are you doing?
All right, so we finished up dinner. Going for a little walk around the neighborhood to walk off all the deliciousness we just ate. Jessica, final thoughts on our first Omaha steak dinner?
It was good. It was worth the money.
I agree. You give about the same feedback as Parker. Ask Parker how the movies are. He goes, good.
Were the movies good?
Sometimes. Today he said Avengers Age of Ultron was amazing,
Okay.
but he spent the whole like last hour and a half watching other videos on his iPad, so I don't think he really thought it was
Wasn't he
amazing.
swimming with me through half of it?
No, I stopped it while you were doing that. That's another story.
Oh.
Well, I enjoyed it too. Initial reaction, I definitely think we might order more from them in the future, but we've got some more meats and things to eat still. So we'll keep y'all posted on how those future meals go, but that is it for today. Give this video a thumbs up. If you've ever had Omaha Steaks and got something we didn't order, let us know. Maybe we'll put it on our next order. Buy merchandise. I need money. Lady's got expensive taste. She wants Omaha Steaks every night, so.
I bought the Omaha Steaks.
Shh, they're not like that. But yeah, buy some merch. Subscribe to the channel so you see what we cook in the future from the Omaha box. Hit the bell so you don't ever miss those videos. Now, she's my wife, so I don't have to practice this with her, but for the rest of you, don't stand so close to me. Good night. That was mean.
You said don't stand so close to you.
No, I said you're my wife, so it doesn't count, but for everybody else, don't stand so close to me.